These zucchini parmesan waffles are golden, crisp, and loaded with sharp parmesan, a savory spin on the classic waffle iron. You fold grated zucchini into a batter of eggs, parmesan, flour, and garlic, with Italian herbs, thyme and paprika for savory depth. Grate the zucchini, salt it well, and let it rest. Then wring it out in a clean towel to squeeze every drop of water away. Whisk the eggs, then mix in the parmesan, flour, baking powder, garlic, and herbs, loosening it with yogurt to a thick batter. Spoon portions into a hot greased waffle iron and cook until deeply golden and crisp. Then serve them warm. Stack them up while they're warm, shower them with grated parmesan and the tangle of fresh pea shoots, and finish with a crack of black pepper. Serve them warm with a spoonful of yogurt. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies!